How to block people on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to TikTok. To block people on Instagram, open Instagram. Now on the bottom of your screen, you can see search icon. Click on that. Again, click on the search box located on top of your screen. Now simply search for the people whom you want to block. After searching, go to their profile. After getting into the people profile, click on the three dots located on top right hand side of your screen. Here you can see block, click on that. Now you will see this kind of pop-up, block or block and report. So click on block. By doing this, you will be successfully able to block people on Instagram. If you want to block people from your chat or conversation, go back and head over to your chat. Now open the conversation whom you want to block. Now on top of your screen you can see their name, click on that. Again click on three dots and then click on block. Again click on block. This is how you block people on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.